you've been looking for a first home project, maybe investment property or something with plenty of land, I think I might have what you need. Let's go and have a look. The solid 1940s two-bedroom home is just waiting for a bit of TLC. Complete with firebox to keep you warm in the winter, timber floors and some of the bathroom work already done for you, this home could be a great little starter or addition to your investment portfolio. So there we have it, 103 Vogel Street, plenty of room for the dog and lots of potential to add value. So if you're interested, you know where to find me, Kelvin Tane from The Professionals. Here.